In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Squarespace website. By the end, you'll have Stripe linked to your site so you can start accepting payments smoothly and securely. I'll walk you through exactly what you'll see and share a few helpful tips along the way. So nothing trips you up, start on your Squarespace site dashboard. From there, open Settings, then look for Selling and choose Payments. This is the hub where you manage how customers pay you. If you have multiple sites, double-check you are in the correct one. Before you continue, on the Payments page, find the Stripe option. Next to Stripe, click Connect. Depending on your account, you might see a button labeled Connect an existing Stripe account. Both take you to the same place. When you click it, a new window will open. If a new window doesn't appear, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. In the new window, you'll be on Stripe's secure site. If you already have a Stripe account you use for your business, sign in with your existing credentials. If you are new to Stripe, choose the option to create a new account. Stripe will guide you through a short onboarding form. Take your time here and enter accurate information, since this is how Stripe verifies your business and where they'll deposit your payouts. If you are creating a new account, you'll be asked for your business details and bank information. Have your legal business name, address, and bank account details ready. Make sure the name on the bank account matches your business or individual name you are registering with Stripe. Providing clear and consistent information helps Stripe verify you faster and avoid payout delays. If you are signing into an existing account, just confirm that you are connecting the correct Stripe account associated with your business. After you finish signing in or creating the account, Stripe will process the verification. Once that's complete, Stripe automatically redirects you back to your Squarespace payment settings. You should now see Stripe listed as a connected payment processor. If it doesn't show up right away, give the page a quick refresh. If here is an error, try reconnecting and confirm you are using the correct permissions and that your browser allowed the Stripe window to open. That's it. You've connected Stripe to your Squarespace site. From here, your customers will be able to check out using the payment methods supported by Stripe on your site. Keep your Stripe and Squarespace login secure, and you'll be set for smooth transactions going forward. Thanks for watching.